Good evening, Philippines. We are the source of the Filipino.
Giving you the latest news not only here in the Philippines but also around the world.
Ruben Valdez,
I'm Kim Estinas.
and this is CBM News. Headlines today. Gordon J.D.B. Sons trade bars. Noynoy poised to run for president. New registrant challenge to use BMPM to guard votes. Korean trader shot dead in Zambales. Phil-Canadian film critic lover shot dead in Quezon. Credit card receivables in H1 reached 129.6 billion. Equity cop to stall renewable energy development. Government sells 7.7 billion worth of T-bonds. JDB Sons trade bars. Fireworks exploded at the last hearing of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee on the bulge $329 million NBNZTE deal after Jose Joey De Venecia III accused committee chair Senator Richard Gordon of going soft on First Gentleman Jose Miguel Mike Arroyo. De Venecia, son of former House Speaker Jose De Venecia Jr., and a witness in the Senate inquiry scored Jordan for saying that the Office of the Ombudsman should also file charges against him and his father for their participation in the questionable deal. Noynoy is poised to run for president. As Rojas withdraws for race, Senator Benigno Nonoy Aquino III, the son of the Philippines democracy icon Corazon Aquino, on Tuesday moved a step closer to running for president when his main rival for their party's nomination stepped aside. Heard the news from outside of the country.
PBA Commissioner laments Japet's behavior, and Roach worried Manny hasn't started training. PBA Commissioner laments Japet's behavior. PBA Commissioner Renault Sonny Barrios on Tuesday said Japet Aguilar could have cropped up as a result of his decision to back out of Asia's first play for paid league. It was the PBA who took care of his needs, including his transportation expense, to make sure that he can concentrate fully on playing for the national team. Roach worried Manny hasn't started training. U.S. boxing coach has expressed concern about Manny Pacquiao's hectic schedule outside of boxing. He said Pacquiao's fight against WBO welterweight champion Miguel Cotto should not be taken lightly, as they expect the Puerto Rican to be in his best condition. Anyone who thinks this fight is easy is a fool. He's going to be at his best, said Roach. I've been studying this guy. Watching his fights, I have good strategy in mind, and we just have to implement it now. He added. The Boxing Hall of Famer set it up to many. They still have to definite plan and date on Pacquiao's training.
Showbiz News. Paris Kate Moss show shelved for lack of funds. Our passionate love. Gretchen Barretos wish granted. Rupa, Yilmaz made me cry. Show shelved for lack of funds. A Paris exhibition on the British supermodel Kate Moss to open later this year has been shelved until 2011 for lack of funds. Organizers said Tuesday, a spokeswoman for the Museum of Decorative Arts, where the show was scheduled to run from November until April next year, said it was looking for funding from private donors in order for the exhibition to go ahead. Pinoy are more passionate lovers than straight people, declared actor John Lloyd Cruz, who plays a gay role in his latest drama movie, In My Life, under Star Cinema. Gretchen Barretos' wish granted. Actress Gretchen Barretos' wish has finally come true. Gretchen announced that actor Derek Ramsey of her upcoming television series on ABS-CBN. In her latest television project, Gretchen will also work with young Claudine Barreto and veteran actor Christopher De Leon. An excited Gretchen said the cast will begin taping in a few. Rupa Yilmaz made me cry. Actress Rupa Gutierrez on Sunday divulged that it was her strange husband, Turkish businessman Yilmaz Bektas, who made her cry last week in her show The Buzz Sunday. Gutierrez maintained that the matter was very personal and that she did not want to discuss the details in public. She was forced to address the issue after about her crying came out. And now,
As for the local news, foreigner dies in Bacolod and Palace Palawan face-off over Malampaya's $10 billion. A foreign national, probably American, died after a delivery truck rammed his pickup in Bacolod City before dawn Tuesday. Police said a bread delivery truck driven by Francos Ramirez rammed a pickup while speeding along Lacson Street around 3 a.m. Investigators said they are having a hard time identifying the foreign national. They said they found 2 official receipts from the foreign's vehicle, but the receipts were named under different names: Stephen Harris and James Smith. Investigators added that the foreigner's wallet was also missing. Criminal charges were being readied against the delivery truck driver. Palace Palawan face-off over Malampaya's $10. To deprive the province of its share, the national government tries verifying territorial definitions. The national government and the province of Palawan will enter today the most crucial stage so far in their legal battle over how to split the US $8.1 billion to $10 billion that the Malampaya Natural Gas Project is estimated to earn in 2 decades starting in 2000. And now, for the weather report, let's have you now move.
Thank you, Kim. At 2 a.m. today, the active low pressure area, or ALPA, was estimated based on satellite and surface data at 960 kilometers east of northern Luzon, Metro Manila, 25 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Moderate southwest tropical cyclone as of today, Thursday, September 3, 2009, 10:19:36 Philippine Time. No tropical cyclone existing within the responsibility, or PAR. Gale warning at 5 a.m. today. The surge of the southwest monsoon is expected to affect seaboards of Visayas. Our gazers will be having a nice time watching the night sky with the famous summer triangle of the stars Vega, Deneb, and Altair of the constellation Lyra and Cygnus, respectively being well placed in the eastern horizon after sunset. The cross-shaped figure of the constellation Cygnus, the swan, which is also known as the starts out against the background of the Milky Way, which pass overhead in the mid-northern latitude. Blue-white star Vega is to appear as the sky darkens. Albireo, the stars, it is a beautiful colored double star, which can be viewed by a small cactus.
And that's all the latest news for tonight.
Once again, I'm Ruby Ann Valdez.
And I'm Kim Espinas.
And this is CBN News.
Thank you and good night.